How's it going, everyone? Today I have another 9.3 quick fix video, this one being centered around the ambient temperature sensor on the 2003 and newer Saab 9.3s. This is not your coolant temperature sensor or anything engine related. This is related to the air temperature, ambient air temperature, meaning the outside temperature of the car. So I've seen these go bad. It actually happened on my mom's Aero a few months ago, and I've gotten some requests on this video, so I figured I would make this. But this is just a little tiny sensor that's actually mounted down here in the front bumper. If you come down to your lower grille on your 03 to 07, you'll see there's just a little sensor sticking out right there behind the grille. On the facelift cars, like on my Turbo X here, you can see it's just about in the same spot, but obviously this bumper design is different, so it looks a little bit different, but it serves the same purpose, does the same job. So replacing this is thankfully pretty simple. All we're going to need to do is really get the car up on some planks like I have. You can also choose to jack it up, but on planks here should be enough room. You'll see we have our under tray here for the bumper. There's 3 8mm that connect it to the front lip along the front here. There's another 8mm right here, and there's a similar 8mm on the other side. One of the ways that you can tell that your ambient air temperature sensor is bad is you're getting crazy messages on your SID, or temperature readings I should say, on your SID. You know, like when my mom's went bad, hers said like negative 40 degrees and it was the middle of summer. But yeah, I think without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tripod set up right here, and we're gonna take off this under tray. Jacking up the car for this will 100% give you way more room, but that's like an extra 10 minutes of work that I didn't really want to take. A lot of these under trays on 9.3s are either broken or missing, so if you're lucky enough to have a good one like me, then that's great. Once you have those 5 8mm removed, you can just kind of unhook it from this little clip back here, and then it'll just, I pull down on the front lip a little bit, and it's kind of wedged up under the front lip, and it should drop right there. You can see the blue clip in there that holds the sensor in. So now we need to unplug that. There's a black clip at the top. I'll put an arrow on the screen here. You just need to kind of pull that back gently, and the plug should come right out. Just kind of wiggle it. There you can see the plug is out. If you come to the front, you'll see that the actual sensor itself is held on by 3 little tabs that kind of need to be pushed towards the center. So that's going to be the way to get it out. I think the proper strategy for this is going to be to use a little set of pliers on 2 of them, just so you can squeeze them in, and if you squeeze this too hard it's going to break. Just gently squeeze them in, and the third one with a little flat head. There we go, now it's like halfway out. Just kind of poke it through, and now it's sitting. It fell in on my lip here. So here's your temperature sensor. Again, these can go bad. So I'm just gonna replace this one. Mine actually wasn't bad, but again, I just wanted to make a video on it, showing you how to replace it. Reinstallation is, believe it or not, reverse order. I'm actually gonna get it from under the car. You can get a better angle on it. There's 2 little ridges behind the grill here that you'll see it kind of fits into as well. If I just push it forward, now it's in. Now that I'm back here, I'm going to plug it in. For our under tray, I'm going to pull down on the front lip, kind of wedge it back in there. If you want, this time you can also clip it back in back here, kind of help hold it in place. These bolt holes can be a little bit tricky to line up, but I just like to get them all started before I actually tighten them. Now I'm going to gently, emphasis on gently, use my impact. Oh, there's the last one, couldn't find it. There you have it. That is how you do an ambient temperature sensor replacement on a 2003 and newer Saab 9.3. Very simple job. If you do have any suggestions for future quick fix videos, please let me know down below in the comments. These are just short little simple repair videos for when you need to replace something small on your 9.3. I have a whole playlist on my channel. Feel free to check it out, and I'll see y'all next time.